Okay. Well, lovely. Well, thanks very much. Here we are at the power plant of Desi Power Foundation, which is an organization which is registered in Araria and which has been working in Baharwari now for quite some years. Hello. We started off in renewable energy. We started with a biomass gasifier. Hello. We now have also got photovoltaic power and the grid. 3 years ago, we realized that we can't only do power, we have to also address the needs of the farmers themselves. Farmers cannot by themselves just supply things, they have to be supported in marketing and in producing the kinds of things that the market wants. So 3 years ago we started Madhumakhi Farm, which is growing paddy, vegetables, and rabi season lentils, flax. This year we've got oats and wheat. And we are slowly trying to get our crops totally, no, first of all, they're totally organic. They have been for 3 years. But we also want to now make the kinds of things that the market really wants. So one of the things that I was quite interested in right from the beginning was to make, what I call brown rice, because I feel the bran, of course, is a very important part of rice. And in the first couple of years when I was here, we were doing this BB11, which is a very common and boring type of hybrid. And then we found Baranpool, which one of the farmers told us is a very delicious kind of local delicacy. And so we grew that this year. And we realized, how can we make brown rice? And for that, I got a small mill from Bangalore, from Alto Production Company in Bangalore, which you can see behind me here. And we've started now to try it out. And we're super lucky to have our first friend who's actually got 1-year-old beautiful rice, who's come here and tried to mill them. Hi, Harsh. Wonderful that you could come.
Thank you so much for getting me to this trial of the machine. And like we've done some trial prior to recording this video, and
Yes.
you know how my emotions are running high in terms of the kind of quality that we've been able to get out of this. And I mean, this specific variety is a combination of two different species. The white one is called Hafsal in this area. It's a very indigenous variety. I told you,
Yes.
we've managed to save this from extinction. We got one farmer who had only 750 grams of seeds,
Yes.
and from that we've multiplied it to a level where now we can say yes, this won't get extinct. The red one is a variety called Lal Karma. It's a very old variety. I mean, it was grown maybe when we were very young. I was like maybe
Okay.
5, 6 at that point. So 35, 40 years ago, and the red one has a lot of iron, lot of fiber, and because it has a lot of iron, you are not supposed to consume the red rice alone. It has to be mixed with either white rice or some
Oh, I
other
see,
rice.
really?
Yeah, otherwise, so too much of iron leads to constipation.
Oh, okay, good
And
point.
it has some so
Yes.
just because it is natural or organic, it does not mean it should be consumed in a way that,
Absolutely.
so it will have some repercussions. That's the point. So excited to see the grains. You could see the entire red color on this, and because we are learning to use this machine right now,
Yes.
so I'm sure we'll have much better results once we get get used to the machine and understand how our specific
Yes.
varieties of paddy and what kind of settings we need to
Yes.
make changes to this.
Okay.
So I'm sure it will be a much better thing. One thing that I wanted to talk about was the community angle. I'm so happy and thankful, that I I am here today to get the trial of this machine, to see this. And you know the best part is, like we discussed, when you were also at the farm, it's about building that community. right? Can we make sure that this machine gets utilized by many farmers,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
I'm so happy that you had no restrictions whatsoever in saying yes, this is your machine, and also you gave it a thought, that the logistics around getting everything here and taking it there
Yeah.
is too much. So why don't you just take the machine? Can you imagine somebody saying that in you know the situation that we live in right now? So that's the power of community. That's what we're trying to build, the community around farmers, the community around aggregators, producers, processors, and then the community which will consume everything. So that consumption is obviously direct to consumers. There's hotels, restaurants, cafes, those kind of people, and so it will be an interesting journey, that we are
Wonderful.
on, and this is just the start, by the way. And so thankful
Well,
that you
it's really
allowed us to
lovely.
see this.
And use it.
Yes. I mean, 5 years. This is the best that I've seen right now.
Oh.
Otherwise, every time the red color would go away, or something or the other would happen, which obviously because customers were, they cared about the product,
Yes.
they consumed it.
Yes.
But now this looks beautiful also, and has all the taste and so many other things which a live food product should be. So
Fantastic.
thank you so much, and all the
Thank you.
best on this machine, and we look forward to build a very nice community around this part of our area.
Nice. Thanks very much. Thank
Good
you.
luck.
Thanks.